I remember the day when I have decided to learn public speaking. It was a beautiful evening. One day I was just sitting with my few friends and we all were discussing what you would like to be in your life. I told them I'm not very sure what I want to be in my life. The only reason why I said that because I was not having any idea. I was unaware about the various fields which is available where I can go, I can speak, I can talk to anyone for the career guidance. And fortunately, I met one of my friend who was very close to me, but for some reason we did not have that contact during few years. He suggested me one of the Facebook site where I can go and learn public speaking skill. Initially, I was very apprehensive. I was very worried. I was very anxious. I was unaware how to start it. But slowly and gradually, when I learn about the public speaking skill, I understood that this is a learnable skill and anyone can learn this skill. I started taking interest and you know, slowly and gradually I started realizing that yes, this is a skill which one can definitely learn. Why I should not go for this? Then I decided to opt for some good mentor, to go for some good institute. Unfortunately, there are very few public speaking institutes and they are, I'm not very sure whether they are, how much they are charging as of now, but one institute approached me for the public speaking and I realized that they are charging too much on the same content subject which is available freely, or maybe that uh, that was not worth of spending that much amount. So I decided, why should I spend so much amount when this, when they are not expertise, they don't have any expertise on that. So I wanted to check their niche, whether they are really able to teach me this subject which always wanted to learn. Unfortunately, I learned that I realized that this institute is not up to that mark, and this is how I stopped my the wish of going to the institute and learning that skill. Few years later, I realized that there are so many free content available on YouTube and Facebook. Fortunately, recently I met Mr. Praveen Vadalkar's. I have attended one of his webinar, and I was so amazed that with a bare minimum cost, how one can provide such a very crucial and imperative content, which I always wanted to looking for. And I was very fortunate. I got admitted for this course, public speaking, and today I am very happy that I am on my way to learn the public speaking skill. And slowly and gradually, I am very sure one day I'll surely become a number one public speaker. This is maybe my initial baseline videos. It doesn't mean but I have a long way to go. I'll definitely reach one day, and I'll achieve my dream one day. The way I am traveling towards the, this is my journey, the way I am going towards my targets, to achieve my targets, this is my journey, and I'm sure one day I'll definitely reach there. I want to narrate one story here, a small story, not more than 10, 20, 30 seconds. So I was initially very afraid of public speaking, but someone told me there is only one way to learn public speaking, that is public speaking. That I really engross myself learning this skill, and today I am quite confident that some way or the around I'll definitely reach the pinnacle of the success, and achieve this skill. That is my confidence. So I am 100% sure. I pray everyone for their dreams, what they are, you know, they are pursuing for, and I will pray God that everyone should, able to fulfill their dreams, whatever they are looking for. With this note, I am Vishal More, signing out until we meet again. Thank you.